Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you what is the minimum center to center distance between the RCC column and what is the maximum center to center distance between the RCC column. So this is one of the most important topic for the civil engineers. The minimum or maximum center to center distance between the RCC column will be depending upon the loading condition. So we have to consider the loading factor in order to find out this respected center to center distance between the columns. Generally, for designing of any kind of the building, we will consider the load cases which are related to the gravity loads as well as lateral loads. Gravity loads are nothing but your respected dead loading condition, live loading condition as well as floor loading condition. The lateral load cases will be nothing but your respected earthquake loading condition as well as your respected wind loading condition. So we have to take this respected load intensity as per your respected code. The center to center distance between any kind of the building column will be depending upon these respected load cases. Okay, so for construction of any kind of the high rise buildings or mega projects, the center to center distance will be reduces. Okay, why? Because the height of the high rise project will be more. Due to that reason, the loading condition will be more. If the loading condition is more, we need to provide less center to center distance between the column. So this is the factor we need to consider. Now I will explain you what is the minimum center to center distance between the column for normal building or domestic building. So if you want to consider the center to center distance between the column, we have to take the value as 16 feet. Which is approximately equal to 5 meter. Okay, 16 feet is the normal value we will consider for designing of any kind of the building. So this is the normal building value. The maximum center to center distance between the column will be equal to 24 feet, which is approximately equal to 7.5 meter. So 5 meter is the normal value and 7.5 meter is the maximum value we need to consider. So next one is minimum size. So if you want to consider the minimum center to center distance between the RCC column, we need to take the value as 2.5 meter or some value which is greater than 2.5 meter. Okay, which is equals to 8 feet. Okay, so 8 feet is the minimum value and maximum value is 24 feet. And normal value will be equals to 16 feet. Okay, which is approximately 2.5 meter and 5 meter and 7.5 meter. 7.5 meter is maximum value and 5 meter is normal value and 2.5 meter is minimum value. So this is only applicable if the loading condition is in normal condition. So if the loading condition will be more, we have to change the dimensions of the column. Okay, for example, just I am considering G+1 building, just I am constructing G+1 building. So if I want to construct this respected G+1 building in normal condition, normal loading condition, so we have to take the dimensions of the column as 12 inches cross 9 inches. If you construct this respected G+1 building in high loading condition, high intensity of your respected loading condition, we have to increase the size of the column. So just we have to assume the size which is greater than this respected 12 inches cross 9 inches. So we have to take the value as 14 inches cross 9 inches. The increasing of this respected size will be only applicable for the normal building cases. But in case if you construct high-rise buildings or mega projects, we need to consider the significant design methods in order to find the center to center distance between the columns. So this is the topic which is related to maximum center to center distance between the column and minimum center to center distance between the column and normal condition, which is equals to 24 feet, which is equals to 7.5 meter is the maximum value and normal value will be of 16 feet, which is approximately equal to your respected 5 meter, and the minimum value is 8 feet, which is approximately equal to 2.5 meter. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your question in the below comment box. I will give you the answer for that respected question. Thank you.